everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can basically connect your agents to CSV files using text-to-SQL. So this is just some dummy data I downloaded from online. It's like products 100, customers 1000. And I'm basically going to expose this data to my agent through MCP. So I'm going to upload these files, turn it into an MCP server, and that's going to allow my agent to query this data, help me analyze it, etc. It's unfortunately not super interesting because this data is very boring, but if you have more interesting data, it will also work pretty well. So I'm just going to download this data. Let's just download it as a CSV. And then I'm actually going to hop over to this other site called AgentDB. So what I can do is I can actually upload CSV data here into AgentDB, and it'll actually turn that into an MCP server that exposes the SQL interface. So let me upload this. And so it's going to upload this. I think this essentially turns your CSV file into a SQLite database, and then hosts that so that your agent can communicate with this data through the MCP SQL interface. And so once that's done, so I've actually uploaded a couple files here already, but I can essentially take this and copy the MCP URL. So this is going to be an HTTP streamable URL, and I can copy this over into Letta. So I'm just going to do everything here from the ADE. You can also do everything I'm doing from the ADE through the SDKs. We support both Python and TypeScript SDKs. All you have to do is just copy your API key from here, and you'll be able to connect to Letta Cloud through the SDKs or the API. But just since, a video is better with a UI, I'm going to create an agent. Let's just start from scratch for this one. And then let's also use a better model. And then I'm going to connect that MCP server that I just created. So I can go into my tool manager. I can add a custom server. Let's call this products. So I'll just paste in this URL that I got from AgentDB. I can test my connection. And it was able to connect. So there's a bunch of tools. And then now I can attach this tool to my agent. So let's ask it what's the schema of the products data? And so it looks like it's looking for, basically getting the schema. And so this is the schema of the data for the products. So I can ask things like, what is the average price of products? So again, it executed a SQL query to basically figure out this average. Yeah, I can also do things like, what are the first 5 rows of the data? Okay, so it's able to return everything back to me. Yeah, another thing that you can also do is if you're trying to run calculations in general, it can be really helpful to have a sandbox execution. So this is actually built into Letta. It basically is the run code tool. And so I can do this. And now, I think there's not that many interesting calculations we can do with this products table, but if I'm like, calculate, these two numbers, it's hopefully not going to attempt to do this. Yeah, so it is actually going to write code to calculate this, to actually get this response and be able to figure that out. So you can see here, it ran some Python codes to run this calculation, and so was able to do that. So one thing that you can do is you can get the agent to essentially query information that it needs and then run it through the code executor to do more complex calculations. So yeah, let's maybe try asking something like, what are the unique brands of the products? Oh, apparently there's a lot of them. Maybe they're all unique. How many products are from Irwin LLC? Oh, okay. So maybe it's a one-to-one mapping. Or we can just ask, are there any products that are from the same, wait, what do we call this? Same brand? Okay, so it's a one-to-one mapping. This is a really easy way to set up a text-to-SQL agent, even if you don't even have a database, by just uploading your CSV to AgentDB, and now you have an MCP server that takes in SQL. Of course, if you have your database, it's even easier. You can write a custom tool in Letta, or you can expose your own MCP server that allows your agent to execute SQL on your database. If you have any data that you want an agent's help analyzing, highly recommend checking this out. You can download the agent file or create this agent yourself on Letta Cloud. Thanks again for watching.